Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and we're not at the airfield today. We're at a park in Barbersville, West Virginia, where they have little ponds. You can probably hear the fountain behind us right now. We're gonna have a little fun with an RC boat. It's about time we did some boats. We are the RC Sailors. We've had boats on the channel before. Some of you guys are so new to our channel. In fact, almost probably most of you are so new to the channel you didn't even realize we've done boats before. It's just been a long time. So if you type RC Sailors, RC boat, you'll probably find some boats that we've done. As a matter of fact, we've done some. Is there a bug on me?
No, but it hit you right in the face, yeah. And I caught it on camera.
There are some really good boats on our channel that we've done. I just saw a turtle pop up in the water and go back down under. See, like the cool thing about doing boats is you get to see a little more nature and stuff, or at least different nature than what we're used to seeing. So this should be a lot of fun. We have plans of testing more than just this boat, so bear that in mind.
Nathan will be in his Lion King shirt a lot.
Yes. Okay, so here's a little heads up as to what we're trying to do. It may not happen, but moving forward on our RC channel, we're going to do our very best to get ahead on our videos. So we may do some pre-filming. We want maternity and paternity leave. So when the baby comes, we can take some time off, but you guys will still have content. So over the next couple months, we're going to try to get ahead. Keep that in mind. So multiple boats to be tested, and we thought we would start off with this little guy. When we got ours, we got it on GearBest. It was $26, but now they've discontinued that off of GearBest, and we can only find it on Amazon for about $36. So $10 more just for the convenience of Amazon. It's called the Create Toys 3323. It is a ready-to-run electric boat. A couple things that I don't like about it. The trim function is just with a little clicking notch system here. So you put it in the water if it's driving crooked. The way you get that rudder to like hold trim is to just move that and it holds position, hopefully. This is basically an all or nothing system of the two motors. You're gonna have both going, or one to turn and the other one possibly in reverse. There's no on-off switch on this. You put the boat in the water and the two little metal contacts, when they contact water, will create a circuit. So you can do that with your finger too, most of the time, and see if that light turns on. And I haven't had any luck with this. You charge it directly to the boat with this little USB to JST plug, and I didn't get any lights to come on when it was charging or anything. I've charged 1,000 things via USB before, and I had no luck with this, so it might not even turn on. The transmitter feels cheap because it is. 2 AA's in here. You have forward and steering and an on-off switch here. Surprisingly, they give you 2 spare props in here in case you would break these on a stick or a rock or something, because they are just plastic. And then you have an instruction manual, which seems kind of pointless to me. So let's throw this in the water and see if it's worth $36. It probably isn't, but that's why we're here, to save you guys some money. So let's do an RC boat. Okay.
There she goes.
It is like not responding at all. And it's just spinning in a circle. Oh, I see.
What?
When I turn it, it is turning, okay? I'm giving it left, so one motor is spinning. But when I give it throttle, okay, there, now I got something. It's like that metal contact isn't making very good contact. So, okay, let's get some speed. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's full speed ahead.
It's whining.
It's very whiny, yeah. And that's it.
That's full throttle.
That's full throttle, and I'm just steering around. Now, okay, I'll be honest. I'm having some fun, but that's probably because I haven't driven a boat in a while.
It's definitely like a kid's boat.
Very much so. It is. It's fun because I'm in a small pond with a fairly slow boat, so it is kind of fun. But this is not worth $36. Guys, we did a boat probably like a year or two ago now that was about $40, and it just rips and was amazing. That I would recommend. This, not so much. but so you see how it's kind of veering off to the left a little bit? I'm having range issues right there. New batteries too, by the way.
So if you're like me, you just are dying for Nate to like drive it under the waterfall. But
oh, that's a lot of water.
This is what I'm going to tell you
this
not
couldn't
to.
Handle it.
This is not a self-riding boat.
Yeah.
So if it capsizes, we have to stand here and wait for it to come back to the edge of the
Actually, we could use another boat to recover. I might actually save the battery of this boat to be my recovery boat for the others that we're doing. I kind of wanted to start with this because I didn't think it would be anything super strong to recommend, but also use it as an opportunity to tell you guys we got more boats coming. Abby, as long as you keep it out of that mucky green stuff along the edge, you have a go, and I'll do my best to get you on camera.
Okay.
This is a very underwhelming, probably the least impressive boat we've ever driven, in my opinion. Are you trying to reverse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did it for a second and then it stopped.
The boat is having issues of making contact with the water. Look at the turtle off to the little tiny bump in the water. It's very hard to see by the cattails. That's a turtle head. He's checking you out.
I'm not gonna hit him. I love turtles.
Yeah, that's a turtle. He'll go down. He did it earlier. Yep, see, he's gone. We're the people that stop in the middle of the road and pull turtles off to the side if they're crossing. All the time.
I didn't film it, and we should have. But on our way to our baby shower, which is over on the vlog channel if you wanted to see that video. It's not on there though, but we saw a turtle on a 55-mile-per-hour 2-lane road.
Stopped.
And I made Nathan back up. And I ran out and was like, big yellow bright dress to the pregnant lady, like, don't hit the turtle! And I saved its life.
Yes, you did. So, pretty wimpy boat, right?
It was good.
Maybe not even fun in a swimming pool. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's fun, but if you're going to spend $40 on a boat, probably shouldn't buy this one.
Nah, it's pretty underwhelming.
Yeah.
Maybe for like a toddler kid.
It says it'll drive for 18 to 20 minutes, which I kind of believe that, how slow it's going. And
you just keep
it's going, it says 15 kilometers an hour, which is like 6 or 7 miles an hour. I don't know if it's even going that fast. He's really checking you out. And he's right in front of you. Plop, gone. Okay, well, let's pass back off and finish this up, I'd say. Very hard to recommend this, guys. I would not want any of my friends or viewers or associates, anybody that I know and care remotely about, to spend $40 or even $20 on this boat. There's the turtle on the left. See him? Right in front of the boat. Little head popped up.
It's another turtle.
Yeah. Cool.
It's hard to see him on camera.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this for anyone. I mean, you know, I would probably say maybe it's worth about $10, but we'll have it linked in the description box below. I recommend you check out our older RC boat videos, and just know that we've got a few more boats coming to the channel, and you should be excited about those because there's bound to be something good that we can recommend to you. This is probably the worst little RC boat we've ever driven. It keeps cutting out. Just keeps like cutting out. It's got issues.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.